Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is an iPad. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an iPad? The iPad is a brand of iOS and iPad OS based tablet computers that are developed by Apple. First introduced on January 27, 2010. The iPad range consists of the original iPad lineup and the flagship products iPad mini, iPad Air, and iPad Pro. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report of what is an iPad is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.